Oh, I got him, 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 I got him. Oh my God, that's huge. Like that 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 pounder is really what's gonna take this day over the top. So we're just gonna keep on casting. Let's put a new stroker curl on. Let's see if we can hook that big one we've been waiting for. Oh, that's him. That is him. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's huge, guys. Oh my gosh. I have him under the gill. Oh my gosh. That is him. That is him. I don't know how I hooked him this way, but I'm praying that he stays on. Come on, baby. Please, 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 please. We were just talking about you and we happen to hook you somehow and you're under the neck. Just let me get you. Oh, I got him. 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 Oh my God, that's huge. Oh, she ain't coming off. She ain't coming off. I got her good. Come on, baby. I'm trying to help. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why can't I land this fish? She's hooked weird. Oh yes, guys. Yes. That is like a 4.5 pounder, 4 pounder. Yes, we were just talking about it. Guys, look at that fish right there. That is 4 to 5 pounds. That is a beautiful freaking bass. Huge too. I had her hooked under the mouth somehow. Look how fat that fish is, man. That is a beautiful one. Oh yeah, you're a heavy girl. Solid 4 number, man. That is exactly what we were just talking about. We need a big one. We just caught a big one. We were just talking about it. We just came here. Oh my God, baby. Thank you so much. I'll get you right back in and swim another day. Look at that beautiful bass. There she goes.